In this video, we are going to see how to modify the existing pages and add new custom pages. Step 1. Modify existing page. In Admin Control Panel, if we open the content page, we can see some customizable content pages. So, let's take a look at how to modify existing pages and add new content pages. Let's see how to modify the existing home page content. We will create a homepage announcement. We can adjust the content's position, can set the font size, can change the color of the text, and make the text bolder for a better appearance. Now we will save this. We can see our home announcement here. Similarly, we can do this for the site header if we want our content to be visible on all pages. Our site header content is visible on home page and also visible on other pages. We can also add some advanced and interactive content by using this source view. Here, we can use HTML and CSS code to create more advanced, responsive, and interactive content. Step 2. Add content in static CMS page. We also have some static pages such as Help, About Us, Terms and Conditions, and Privacy Policy. These pages can be fully customized. Let's add some contents in About Us page. I added this already created content. Now, when we open the About Us page, we can see our newly added content displayed. Step 3. Add new content page. For instance, if you want to expand this page to include additional information, such as documentation or articles related to your website, you can create new content page for that purpose. So, now we will create a new content page. First, enter the page name. Next, ensure that the HTML editor is enabled. If it's not enabled, we will not have access to editing options to add styles to our content. We can see our newly created content page here. Now, let's add some content to it. Now, let's open this page and see how our page looks. Normal users cannot access this page because they lack the link or URL to navigate to it. So, we will add the URL of this page to our About Us page so that users can view it. To learn more about adding and modifying CMS content pages, visit the link provided in the description. We can see how our page link will appear. Our page link is visible in About Us page, and users can navigate to the new page.